How to change DP in Instagram without changing in Facebook. If you want to change your DP in Instagram without changing in Facebook, that is absolutely possible. Even if your Facebook account is connected, changing the DP on Instagram is not going to affect the DP on your Facebook. Now, first of all, let me just show you an account that is connected. Here I've got a certain account, and then if I tap on the three lines option right here, or maybe I go to my account center. First of all, you want to go to account center. You can see sharing across profiles right here, and you can select your Instagram account and your Facebook account, and you can see all this. You want to make sure to turn those off, and other things also you want to make sure to turn off, right? So Facebook story and so on. Now, as for profile picture also, you can go to the profiles option right here, and once done, you have to simply select your Instagram or Facebook account. Here you can see profile picture. Make sure to actually turn this thing off. So basically, if you have turned on this, then you have to simply turn off the sync profile info option right here, because when you turn this on, if you basically go ahead and then change the profile picture here, it will also get changed on the other side. So first you want to make sure to turn that off. Now after that, you can simply come back to any of your profiles that you wish, and now you can come back to Instagram, long press on your profile picture, go to new profile picture, and just select the new profile picture that you want to change to right here. Then tap on the next option. Then after you do that, tap on next, and post it, and just like that, you can see it will be successfully changed without actually changing on Facebook. This way you can change DP in Instagram without changing in Facebook. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.